So hey YouTube, this is the second video in the coding series. I had a lot, for myself, I had a lot of views last video. I had like 53, which is good for me. I know somebody who's had like 15,000. So the screencast, this is the recording thing I'm using. So if you guys ever want to know, it's called Screencast-Matic, or yeah, O-Matic. Sorry. So it's really nice. Just go ahead and use it. So if you guys have not done this yet, if last video I told you to get an ET, pause this video and get it if you do not have it yet. So as you can see, I did a little coding right here. I will be teaching you what all this stuff means. So within this video. So the HTML, you always start with the Doctape HTML. So Doctape HTML right here. Always start with that. Doesn't matter. You always start with that. So, I told you that last. So, in normal HTML, well, that's not normal. That means that you always start with that. Doesn't matter what it is. You always start with that. So, that's where you put your text. So that's this is my text. So this is the title. Then you do the title tag. These things right here are called tags. Just to let you guys know, those are called tags. And then I label it my web page because that's the title of this right now. And the pizza is here. I just did some random text. Pretty random. I did body. So, oh yeah. In the comments, just say if these videos have been helpful for you. Hope they have been. So then you do the body. So actually, I'm sorry about this, but the body is supposed to be below the heading. Sorry, I just sped this pretty quickly. And then you end with another HTML. So when you're ending something, you always do this. And I don't know why. It's just so HTML. So it's like HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And this is a good one. So this is everything. So try W3 Schools. It's a really good. So like I said, so now we're gonna show you things about headings. Now what headings are is that there's H1, H2, H3, H4, and the headings will just get smaller for every single time. So let's just do this. On here. Sorry, I'm gonna delete this now. And let's reset this. My first heading, oh, the pizza's still here. Get it? Okay. My first heading. So, my first paragraph. So, let's just try to do H2. And I wanted you guys to see this because it's pretty cool. See how it's still like bold. And, yeah, that's it. For the heading. And you can make them, I think it goes up to like H5 and it'll get small. But it'll still be bold. So P, what that stands for, is paragraph. And you put them between these are the body, here and here, and you put all your text in between it. So, well, let's see. Yeah, it's showing the same exact thing on this. So let's go back to here. And you guys, write in the comments what the next language you guys want to learn is, and I'll take the most popular vote. So I think I'm going to be wrapping up this video in a minute or so. But with the HTML, we can let's you learn everything. Let's make a website, right? So I'm gonna put on. So look, that was just HTML. Now watch what happens when you add CSS. All this cool stuff happens. So if you don't If you don't know a lot about HTML, well, this is Code Academy is a great place to learn it, and my videos are. But you see, there's a background and everything. So, got it. HTML elements. The HTML elements are the building blocks of web pages. The web pages to the right is made up of a collection of HTML elements. Each element is outlined in blue and labeled with its name. So, that's the web page. So let's do got it. Heading elements. Headings are described by a heading element. There are 6 levels. Oh, I thought there was 5. H1 through H6. So I told you that everything gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Change the H1 element to find a place to stay to this main heading. So let's do. You don't want to add in the quotation marks. That's not a good thing. So let's do this. Oh, it changed. That's pretty cool. This main heading. Pretty cool, right? So, we already showed you what the paragraphs did, but let's just watch this now. Rent from over 3. So we're going to copy this. Paste that thing right back in. And boom, it's right there. And that's your, oh, I'm sorry, that was under heading. Sorry, no. Let's just change that to P. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Oops. See? It's smaller now, and generally there would be a heading above that. So let's not get into the A right now. We'll get into those are like if you click on something, it'll bring you to a link. So we'll do that later. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Another cool channel is my friend PokeJedi. Make sure to check that. His video is out. And there's some other cool stuff. There's my Gearbox I made. And I do engineering also, so ask me questions on that. And you know where to find this. So thank you.